From the beginning, the time that DAC started documenting the fatal livestock fires, there is an average of 60,000 animal beings that are burned alive every year.
The Quebec Animal Rights Community says their calls for government action are falling on deaf ears as livestock animals are left to suffer and die in fatal fires across the province. According to their census, more than 500,000 animals have burned alive since 2015 in what they say has become a tragic and silent epidemic.
Being killed in a fire, it is associated with excruciating pain, unimaginable pain. It is one of the worst, the most painful death possible.
There's a new legal status in Quebec for animal beings since 2015, which states that animal beings are sentient. That means that they can feel and experience things.
But the Quebec Animal Law Community says the legal status has had little effect in the agricultural sector, as the Fire Safety Act and the Building Code don't establish specific safety standards or technical requirements to protect animal beings.
We conducted a study of the number of fires, the locations, the number of animal beings in these fatal fires. And what we learned is that the majority of the buildings do not have fire suppression systems like sprinklers. They almost never have smoke or heat detectors.
As a result of their findings, Morello says they've launched an awareness campaign along with a 106-page report that contains 90 recommendations to help prevent fires, as well as asking for government intervention.
In our report and in our campaign, we list a number of measures that can be taken immediately with little or no cost, and then measures where there may be a necessity of having a government subsidy to implement the measures to protect the animal beings.
We communicated with the ministries who have the shared responsibility of the fire safety and the safety and welfare of animals. So respectively, the Ministry of Public Safety and the Ministry of Agriculture have been characterized by their silence during all these years.
In a statement to City News, the Ministry of Agriculture responded, MAPAC is concerned about the issue of farm fires in livestock buildings. We are working with relevant stakeholders on fire prevention and awareness to promote consideration of animal safety and well-being. Since fall 2024, MAPAC has been coordinating a new working group under the Quebec Strategy for Animal Health and Welfare focused on non-health emergency measures. Preparing farmers for farm fires is one of the topics this working group is addressing. Dissatisfied with the government's fire prevention and awareness efforts that they say have been ineffective, DAC has also launched a petition calling for the government to put in place immediate safety measures. In Montreal, Corinne Boyer, City News.